So learning is like a cartoon where our hopes are high and the struggles could be major. Lev Gotsky developed the sociocultural learning theory, and another way to look at learning. Um, he thought of the zone of proximal development. The zone of proximal development is the difference between what we already know and what we could learn with a little bit of help from someone with a little bit more experience than us. Someone who understands scaffolding, somebody who could build a structure of support underneath the student in order to help them learn, using effective scaffolding, because we all know that after we scaffold and after we assess a student and we realize that he feels comfortable with the new material, if we remove the scaffolding, then there will be a line of natural regression. In other words, take away the system of support for students, and they might lose a little bit of confidence, and they might feel a little bit more insecure, which makes learning a little bit tougher for them, which brings us to the idea that we need to reinstall that support. We need to be more effective in our scaffolding, in how we choose the strategies that we're going to uh, use for students, and how we're going to apply them to the different levels of thinking that the student might have. One thing to consider are cultural tools. Everything a culture has to offer a student to learn with. It's there are some cultures that make it a big priority to complete your education, and there's other cultures that don't, and there's some cultures that just bring different tools to the game. And as a teacher, we need to understand the different tools that the different cultures have to offer us. Another strategy we could use is knowledge through social interactions. In other words, students get to share what they already know with other students, and maybe make a connection or relate it to the new material. Reciprocal teaching is another strategy that we could use as social, because it allows the student to really take the role of the teacher and to explain his thinking and his understanding through summary, through questioning, through clarifying, and through predicting. A fourth strategy has effective scaffolding that Lev Gotsky offered us is collaborative learning, partner learning, group learning, learning from one another, sharing ideas, discussion, debate. All of that comes together in this great cartoon that we as teachers must play a role in. Because just as the students feel success and failure, well, so do teachers. And teachers too need to make adjustment using the sociocultural theory in order to be successful in their teaching. Thank you.